Is your voice lacking power or maybe resonance? Are you looking to hit those high notes with ease and confidence? Look no further, because this vocal technique is the answer to all your wows. Not only will it help you unlock your vocal potential, but it will also infuse your voice with incredible style and flair. Twang explained. Surely many of you have been told,
sing into your resonators.
You need to find your resonance.
It should ring there, 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 here, there.
Why is your voice so dull?
And you're like, Well, fear not, because Dasha, your vocal coach from the Cobra channel, is here to guide you through unlocking the power of twang. Many people associate twang with nasal sounds, possibly influenced by country vocalists.
Your beauty is beyond compare, with flaming locks of auburn hair, with
but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
In the heart of the southern states, a vibrant vocal style emerged, bringing joy and charm to people's lives in the aftermath of Civil War. Jimmie Rodgers, known as the father of country music, infused his songs with unique twang and that echoed the soulful melodies of a banjo, creating a sound that resonated with audiences far and wide.
Put me off in Texas, a state I dearly love.
However, twang does beyond just singing through your nose. But partly, twang has nothing to do with nasalization, because we control nasalization by raising the soft palate. If the soft palate is raised, the sound will only come out through your mouth. And if it's slightly lowered, then a distinguished nasalized sound will indeed appear. Twang is something different. What is that? Twang is that magic touch that happens when the vestibule of the larynx gets a little squeezed. You can feel this necessary construction by just swallowing. Of course, when we swallow, the whole throat closes up to let the food pass into the esophagus. We won't be using that extreme motion for singing, of course, otherwise the sound would have nothing to go. No. But it's this very construction that adds that ring and richness to the voice, bringing in resonance and boosting those high frequencies. As a result, our vocal cords shrunk a bit in size and the throat becomes narrower and more compact, leading to better impedance and pressure adjustment. To put it in everyday terms, if you squeeze a toothpaste tube or water hose, you can feel this effect. But here's the good news. In standard International English phonetics, twang and the necessary construction are already present. Speaking as a non-native English speaker, twang helped me personally sound more authentic and shed my strong Slavic accent.
Did I lie? Did I lie? Did I lie?
If you know what I mean. Twang comes in two flavors, oral and nasal. Oral twang deflects the sound only into oral cavity by raising the soft palate, making it perfect for loud, open sounds like belting or opera. Lowering the soft palate slightly allows the sound to come out, not just through the mouth, but also through the nose.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Why would you release me?
You can use all types of twang in songs. The nuances. Twang is a fundamental and essential technique for vocal health. It's a lean and a big chain of techniques that help you master high notes and add grit to your voice. Don't confuse twang with high larynx position. Twang can be present even in lower positions like opera or growls. Yes, opera singers also constrict their larynx. This helps them sing very loudly. But be careful during practice. If you're not used to it, you might overconstrict your larynx, leading to false chord compression, like that. At the best, you'll get a distortion, like At worst, singing will be uncomfortable because all your vocal structures will be squeezed, making it hard for sound to escape. If done right, twang will make your life easier and your sound will be bright without extra effort. How to find twang? First, imagine you're drinking water and take a sip. This will help you feel the necessary construction in your throat and fix this movement. Your tongue is raised. Or second, mimic different sounds from nature. A dog, a cat, or maybe even a evil witch or Nicki Minaj. It's Miss Moscato is freezing the puddle. Okay. Exaggerated sounds can also be used in singing, but if you don't want to base your tone on that construction, you can tone it down. More wide or more narrow. Where does twang belong? Everywhere. It's the secret sauce for many singing styles. Country first of all, gospel, soul, R&B, rock, and even the glitzy world of pop music. And don't forget about nasalized twang, a must-have for Broadway musicians.
But till I try, I'll never know. Never feel so right.
Everything that really counts to be popular.
Are you receiving? I want something too. And you're all quiet. They say I may be making a mistake.
Now I'll show you how to integrate these sounds into songs. Sound without twang. He have no time to regret. Sound with oral twang. He have no time to regret. Sound with nasal twang. He have no time to regret. Exaggerated twang. He have no time to regret. And you can change all of these options. We only said goodbye with words. I died a hungry time. You go back to her and I go back to black. I I hope this video has been a game changer for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you use twang in your singing? How has it helped you? Stay tuned for more vocal tips and tricks in our upcoming videos. Next up, we will delve into the ring technique. Sending you warm hugs and see you next time.